I'm backing up. I ain't getting stung.
That's about right. Well, here's the theory. Check it out.
Sure, make them mad. Well, a whole bunch dropped right there. All right, they're all in the air now.
Now we wait to see what they do.
Man, them things are loud. Yeah, they're crawling in it.
Head for the basket, aren't they?
Yep.
That's a good sign.
Wow, that's a lot of bees. I think the queen is in there. They're swarming that bucket. Now let's see him get it in the trap. I believe you do. Well, no, it looks like they're swarming back on that tree again.
Some, they can't find her yet. The majority of them are going on that bucket. Ain't that cool?
Yeah. That's a lot of bees in there.
A lot of bees. I'll wait another minute or two and then I'll dump them.
Yeah, they all went right back on the tree. A lot of them. All right, get away from me, bee. I'm not the one messing with your hive. Get off me. Well, I'm getting attacked. I'm getting attacked. They're finding me interesting.
Okay, I'm getting ready to dump them in the box.
All right, he's gonna dump them in now. Let's see if he can get them in there without getting me stung. I ain't got a suit on.
Whoa, they're heavy.
Oh, falling off. Slowly, slowly. Get away from me, bee. Sure, now he got them all mad again. Now getting the trays put back in. See if the queen fell in there or did she fly out. There's still a big bunch on the tree up there where they're still swarming. Get some more trays in there. Now I see them starting to go in the hole. Starting to fly into the hole on the backside.
What?
They're starting to fly into the hole.
Are they really?
Yeah.
Well, that's an awfully good sign too.
Yeah, they've really piled up on that branch above you again.
Yeah, I'll get them.
Yeah, they're checking out.
Look at the grass, Chris.
They're all over it.
They should be crawling their way there. And when they stick their butts in the air, she's definitely in there.
Yeah, they're going in there.
So watch this. This will be a telltale sign. I think they're going in.
Boy, there's still thousands of them up on that branch.
Yeah, I'm about to go get it.
Yeah, they're cruising in there.
It weighed so much I could barely hold the basket.
I bet there was a bunch of them on there. There's still a bunch of them on there. And
I'll
in it.
go back.
Yeah, they settled up above again. Well, we're going back up and just settled back into the tree. Let's see if we can get a hold of them now. There's a bunch of bees. Things are flying around me. I don't like them in my face. I don't have a suit on. Go on, Mr. Bee. Yeah, they're going right back to the tree limb.
Pardon me?
Yeah.
Going back to the basket.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a bunch of them on the basket. Come on, man. Get out of my face, Bee. Yeah. Here comes the next basket full of them. Look at all them bees on that bucket.
Want to look inside?
I zoomed in on it. That thing's just full of bees, thousands of them.
Now I'm going to.
All right, now I'm getting too many on me. I don't have a...
He's in there. Now, if I put these on the ground, they start walking in.
Well, some of them are on the ground, now they're all back in the air.
They'll start balling up hopefully on the front. Walking in. Take this out of the way. Now I'll look for the queen. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You come up here, Chris. They're not gonna bother.
Well, I can't get them out of my face at the moment.
Oh, sorry. See how they're piling in the hive?
Uh-huh. There's still a good chunk of them up in the tree.
I know. I'll have to go get them too. Wow, what a swarm.
You think it was just a random one that happened to fly over?
I don't know. Look, what's it look like in the hive over there now? That's more bees than I put in there.
Well, there was some going in and out of it when I looked, but...
See how they're marching in?
Mm-hmm.
That is a very good sign.
Those other ones up there just ain't figured it out yet.
Yeah, they haven't. And when you get close, I'm going to look and see if the queen's here. They all smell her in there, though. They're wanting to get in. Yeah, they're pouring in. The rest of them will just crawl over here. And when you see their butts go up in the air, like these two here, they're releasing a pheromone.
Yeah.
To tell everybody else, here's the place. So they'll all start coming down here. But that is a lot of bees.
Yeah, there's still probably that many up there.
You think so?
There's a lot of them swarmed right back up on that branch.
Wow. Well, we'll get these girls in there. And
You have to call your buddy, see if he wants another swarm.
well, I got everybody swarmed up. I'm just going to take this one over to Larry's house and hang it on a tree over there. And then if something happens to one of my swarms,
Come on, guys. I'm not the one messing with your hive.
it'll, if they're going in, Chris, it'll calm down real hard. And they're going in.
God damn it.
They bothering you?
Oh, they're dive bombing my head.
They're trying to figure out where to go.
That way. That way.
Now I'll just scrape them off and it'll be a waiting room. And I think I got her. Come on, guys. Get on down. I gotta get the lid on. Definitely. You ought to feel them, they're so hot.
I bet.
They're not eating right now, they're just looking for a new home.
Right.
I'm stirring them up a little bit. Yeah. Now's when the search will begin.
Yeah, there's still a bunch up there where they originally were at.
Ready for you?
Oh, yeah.
I don't think the queen's out here. Pretty sure she's not.
They're still crawling in the hole.
Yep. But the swarm's getting smaller, so. Get down there on the ground. Now let's see what happens. Piling in now, ain't they?
Mm-hmm. Marching right in that hole.
Boy, that's a lot of bees.
Mm-hmm. Will the rest of them figure it out and come down eventually?
Yeah, I'll just let it sit here. I might get a bucket or something and put them up on a bucket,
Mm-hmm.
and they'll fly right to it. Because there'll be some on the front. I don't know if you can see them, but they're all signaling. That one right there, especially, see it?
Mm-hmm.
It's got a pheromone on the top of its butt there, and it's releasing it, and that's what's drawing them all through. And she's got pollen on her legs, see it?
Yeah.
They're ready to start a new hive. So I gotta go there and see if they came out of that hive. That hive has just done phenomenal.
Yeah.
Come on, boys. Time to go. All right, let's see if I can get the rest of these off.
There we go. Stir it up again. Yeah.
At this point, stirring them up ain't hard because they're just looking for a home.
Mm-hmm. Oh, son of a bitch.